Aaron LoCascio. It's great to see you.
Thank you for having me.
And congratulations. How do you feel about the IPO?
Thank you. I feel great about it. A lot of success so far. We had a lot of tremendous feedback on the road. But more importantly than anything that happens in any given day or week of trading, we're really committed to the long-term value of the company.
So when we talk about your company, we're talking vaporizer products, hardware, rolling paper, accessories, pipes, but you're not actually dealing with plants and things here in the States, right?
That's correct. So Greenlane is the largest distributor of premium ancillary cannabis and nicotine products in North America. So we offer everything from vaporizers to child-resistant packaging. And we sell these products across a very diverse base of more than 6,600 B2B customers, including licensed cannabis customers and independent smoke shops. More than that, we also sell direct to consumers online via vapor.com, as well as through our retail stores called Higher Standards.
How does the .com do?
.com does well. It's a minority part of our business overall,
right,
but it's something that we intend to continue investing in going forward.
I saw your sales almost doubled in 2018 to almost 179 million, which clearly outpaced that of Canopy growth, which was about not even 60 million. So you are jumping and sales are doubling year over year. What are you expecting for the year ahead?
Yeah, so huge opportunity that continues to exist in the marketplace. We sit at the most unique position, being able to capitalize on not only the $150 billion worldwide cannabis industry, but the $7 billion US nicotine industry, as well as the estimated $22 billion CBD industry. So we have very strong outlooks going forward.
So CBD, the Farm Bill, all of that, is that working in your benefit?
Yep. So we oftentimes take a very conservative approach to regulation. So we sat on the sidelines of CBD and watched that as a product line, as an industry start to really grow a number of years ago. But we waited until the passage of the Farm Bill before we reacted to it, and since then have now struck exclusive distribution deals in our channels of trade with Select and Mary's Nutritionals, and we're very excited.
And where are those places?
Those are brands that we distribute throughout our
are those in the United States?
Yes, correct. Yep.
Those are throughout the United States. Talk about the structure of the company. So you, along with Adam Schoenfeld, who's a co-founder, have retained about 80% of the voting rights. Mm-hmm. But it hasn't stopped people from investing in the company. That sometimes can spook somebody, or maybe not. What are your thoughts on that? So Adam and I also own a majority of the outstanding stock in general, but it's something that we'll continue to look at going forward. We want to make sure that we're doing the right thing for our shareholders, and it was a structure that we evaluated with our advisors and ultimately came to the conclusion. So the big picture of what you're seeing is when you work with these companies. So I saw that you worked with Pax Labs. They actually had Juul as a subsidiary for some time. Are you getting incentives, discounts, credits when you're working on these businesses? How do you work this? Every distribution agreement, every relationship is unique in its own right, but we do strike a balance between all of it and using any number of levers, some of which you discussed there. How do you stop teenagers from getting into this too early? Yeah, so we are strong advocates for sensible regulation, like the one the FDA recently announced, where they would look to potentially ban or restrict, I should say, flavored products to age-gated environments. So those products would effectively be restricted from places like C-stores and gas stations and be sold in age-restricted environments like vapor shops and independent smoke shops, and that's something that we can really stand behind. Quickly, what's your best seller? What's your best product that everybody really wants? You have a hard time keeping it. So every year it's a little bit different because we sit at that unique position to take advantage of the next opportunity, but as of late, it's been Juul.